Happy birthday, Lola Pet. May spaghetti kami.
Happy birthday.
Something long. Ay lang.
Happy
Hi, Auntie Betty. Happiest birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
You are blessed
Ready? Let's
every
go.
single day. We love
Happy
you.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tipet. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And God bless always. See you soon. Happy birthday, Titi.
Happy birthday, Lola Pechi! We love you! God bless!
Auntie Pechi, happy birthday! All the way from Canada. Ito pala yung mga bago kong pamilya. Nakikita nyo ba sila? Ayan. Mag-isa na naman ako dito sa bahay kasi wala pa si Micaela. She spends more time with her friends now. Happy birthday, Auntie Pech. My wish for you is good health and good health. That's it. And yes, good health.
Hello, Auntie Petch. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. Tapos, enjoy your day. Best wishes. Saka, pagbalik ko na lang regalo ko. Gusto mo ba ng dates? Tea? Kape? Kape ng Arabo? Wish ko lagi kay mamang, papang, auntie, uncle, good health, sa kapayapaan sa Pilipinas. Ako po si Kadjo at nagsasabing di po mainit sa Saudi. Malamig po ngayon kahit walang aircon. Yung sinasabi ko, netura ako pa. Ang hirap palang gumawa ng video message. Lalakay na, kailangan nang mag-eyeglass. Salamat pala sa pagiging mamang pag nasa Manila kami. Tapos, keep safe and God bless always. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Auntie Pechi!
Annyeonghaseyo! Happy birthday, Uncle Bobot!
Happy birthday, Auntie Petch.
God bless!
Ingat. Happy birthday, Lola Pechi. Happy birthday, Lola Bobot.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, wish kay Lola Bobot and Lola Pechi. Happy birthday, flying kiss. Flying kiss muna, flying kiss. Love you all. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Show your teeth, show your teeth. Bye-bye. Stay healthy. And long life. More blessings, Lola Pechi. Lola Pechi, Lola Bobot. Oh, bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye, say bye-bye.
Pech, happy birthday. Anong handa mo? At sino mga bisita mo?